I always make experiments with puff pastries and this one came out just wow. With simple ingredients and you get cafe style twisters. Okay, one roll of puff pastry sheet, cut it into half. Now apply a single layer of cream cheese and then top it up with your choice of cheese. Here I'm going with 4 cheese mix and then some olives and sun-dried tomatoes. Just these 3 ingredients to make it really delicious. Now put the other half onto this one and apply some egg wash, which is just egg yolk and some water. Now sprinkle some sesame seeds and nigella seeds. This will look amazing. Cut some strips. You can go a little bit thinner or thicker and then just twist them. This will go in a preheated oven and you're gonna bake them something around 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. When they come out, they are just amazing. Let them cool down for a little bit and then you can enjoy it. They are really crispy from the outside and so delicious from the inside. For more puff pastry recipes, please follow.